Imagine launching online courses with just a few clicks. No need for complicated videos, endless writing, or any of those annoying headaches. Meet CourseReelAI Max. It's your go-to tool for creating, customizing, and selling top-notch video courses. With this awesome platform, jumping into the booming $25 billion learning industry is a breeze. It takes care of all the heavy lifting in course creation so you can focus on what matters most. Come up with your course title, break it down into chapters, fill in the content for each chapter, and then turn it all into video courses that are ready to sell. With the awesome CourseAI engine behind it, CourseReelAI Max is like your personal course making buddy. Just toss in a niche or keyword, and it'll whip up some cool course topics and titles for you. It doesn't stop there. It'll suggest different chapter ideas, create content for each one, and even put together a video for every section. We're talking images, slides, video clips, text, animations, transitions, the whole shebang, all handled automatically so you can kick back and relax. Create, monetize, and share complete course packages with EAs, videos, PDFs, ebooks, and quizzes, all from a single dashboard. Tap into the power of multiple AIs like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Llama, and more for top-notch course quality. Produce professional talking head videos using AI presenters without needing a camera. Let AI handle everything: course content, promo videos, sales pages, quizzes, and marketing materials. Enjoy a 100% cloud-based platform with custom voice integration to make it truly yours. Quickly turn any keyword into a full-fledged course ecosystem in minutes with one-click multi-format export options. Instantly distribute your courses on YouTube, Facebook, or your custom landing page. Use AI-powered outline and curriculum builder with integrated quiz generation for seamless creation. Whether you record yourself or use AI voices, you have complete flexibility to bring your ideas to life as professional multi-format courses in just a few clicks. Imagine effortlessly turning your ideas into professional courses without needing any fancy gear or tech skills. Say goodbye to the hassle of formatting and spending hours on sales copy. With the landing page generator, you can create stunning pages that sell, and custom voice integration lets you clone your voice for a personal touch in every lesson. Making video courses has never been this easy. You don't have to brainstorm course topics. You don't need to figure out what to teach or include in your lessons. No need to write scripts or create content for each chapter. Forget about starting videos from scratch. CourseReelAI Max is more than just a tool, it's your all-in-one course creation powerhouse. No guesswork, no starting from scratch, no writer's block. Just enter a simple keyword and let CourseReelAI Max handle everything, from course recommendations to content creation and video production. It builds the backbone of your video course for you. All it takes is 10 minutes to review the content, add your logo, and put your personal spin on it. Your first professional video course will be ready for platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable in no time. With CourseReelAI Max, effortless course creation is here. Turn those ideas into impactful courses and dive into new opportunities in the booming e-learning industry. Get ready to generate 10x results for any niche with CourseReelAI Max. Now's the time to seize this golden opportunity to create viral, engaging courses that make money. Hit the link below to check out CourseReelAI Max and grab your bonus pack now.